You can download maps and use them offline on your Android phone. And to do that, we'll first go to Google Maps, and then use the search to find the city or area you want to download. Let's say I'm going to Barcelona. I'll put that in the search, and my map will focus on Barcelona. The bottom half of your screen will show photos and other info about the place. And if you swipe down on the little buttons, you'll see a button for More. Tap that, and you'll see an option to download an offline map. Now, this next part is pretty cool. You can download as little or as much as you'd like. And this part here allows you to pinch and zoom and set the boundary for the map that's going to be downloaded. And on the bottom, you'll see how much storage that map will require. Obviously, the larger the area, the more details it includes, meaning the file size will be bigger. There is sort of a limit though, so it's not like I can download maps for all of Europe at once. But if you plan to move around a lot, it's important to include what you need in the map, or just download separate maps for all the cities you'll be visiting. That's basically it. You'll tap Download. Your phone will take a second to confirm the area that's being saved, and the download will then start in the background. You can download as many cities or locations as you'd like, and once you're actually offline, you don't need to do anything to access your maps. Your phone is smart enough to realize that it doesn't have signal, but it does have the maps saved, so it'll start using those offline maps automatically. You can view your downloaded maps by clearing the search, and then tapping your profile picture on the top right corner. Then go to Offline Maps, and you'll see all your maps there. By default, the maps expire after 1 year, and depending on your phone, it might auto-update them in the background like mine does. Or you might see a toggle allows you to turn auto-updating maps on or off. Once my map is done downloading, I can give it a name, which is helpful if you're downloading multiple locations. You can also manually update the map from here, or delete it if you don't need it anymore. If I set my phone to airplane mode and turn Wi-Fi off, you'll see how the map still works, and I can use the search to find nearby locations. The maps tells me I'm offline, but it still knows everything that's around. Driving directions will work fine, but walking, biking, and transit information, as well as real-time traffic, will not work with offline maps. And that's how you download maps on Android. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.